welcome to your experience and adventure of the solar system. We would kindly ask you to keep your excitement in yourself during this tour. Are you ready for adventure? 1, 2, 3, let's go. We will be going through the planets of our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and other masses in space.
Mercury was named the smallest planet, after Pluto was classified as a dwarf planet. It is named after the Roman deity, Mercury. One mercurial year is 88 mercurial days, which are around 59 Earthen days.
It's hot and cold.
Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. Venus's atmosphere is mostly comprised of carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Making a greenhouse effect, it is the hottest planet in our solar system even though it is not the closest to the Sun.
Earth is the only planet known to humanity that contains organic life. There are approximately 8.7 million species that live here. It is perfect for life since the atmosphere protects it from the sun, being made of nitrogen, argon, and oxygen.
Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Scientists believe it was once blooming with life because of signs of water marks, more specifically rivers. The dust that covers the surface of Mars is fine like talcum powder. Beneath the layer of dust, the Martian crust is mostly volcanic basalt rock. The soil of Mars does hold nutrients such as sodium, potassium, chloride, and magnesium.
Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It is a gas giant unlike the first four planets that consist of rocks. Gas giants are balls of gas like helium, and there is also hydrogen. The scientists think the big red spot on it is a massive cyclonic hurricane that cannot stop because of Jupiter's high pressure on its surface.
Saturn is the planet coming after Jupiter. It is decorated with a golden ring comprised of asteroids, meteors, and shards of moons from planets. It is the second largest planet in the solar system and is once again a gas giant. Saturn's magnetosphere is smaller than Jupiter's but still 578 times as powerful as Earth's. As a gas giant, Saturn doesn't have a true surface. The planet is mostly swirling gases and liquids deeper down.
Next, Uranus is our third gas giant that is a light blue/cyan color. Uranus has two sets of rings. The inner system of 9 rings consists mostly of narrow, dark gray rings. There are 2 outer rings.
It is one of the coldest planets in our solar system. It reaches temperatures of minus 274 degrees Celsius. Uranus is known as an ice giant because of its extreme cold and how big it is.
Our final planet is the last gas giant of the bunch, Neptune. Neptune is a darker blue than Uranus, and it is also called an ice giant for being extremely and immensely cold. One day on Neptune takes about 16 hours, the time it takes for Neptune to rotate or spin once.
Neptune has a storm similar to the Great Red Spot on Jupiter. It is commonly known as the Great Dark Spot and is roughly the size of the Earth.
Now we are talking about the heavenly masses, for example meteorites, the Sun, and the Kuiper asteroid belt. 1. A meteorite is a meteor that survives its passage through the Earth's atmosphere. More than 90% of meteorites are of rock, while the remainder consist wholly or part of iron and nickel. 2. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a near-perfect sphere of hot plasma. Its diameter is about 1.39 million kilometers. It accounts for about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Roughly 3/4 of the Sun's mass consists of hydrogen. The rest is mostly helium, with much smaller quantities of heavier elements. 3. The Kuiper asteroid belt is a circumstellar disk in the outer solar system. It is right on the outside of Neptune's orbit. It consists mainly of small bodies or remnants from when the solar system formed. While many asteroids are composed primarily of rock and metal, most Kuiper belt objects are composed largely of frozen volatiles. That was the solar system experienced by Space Incorporated. Have a nice day.